In this video, we will discuss about how to perform division on binary numbers. Okay, here are not specific rules, but you have to remember that when doing division, okay, when you are performing the division over binary numbers, so as in binary numbers, only two values can be used. These are 1 and 0. So, let's explain this division with the help of one example. Suppose the example is there, dividing 10110 by 1 1. Okay, this is the division that we have to perform. So while dividing, what you have to remember, सी जैसे आप डेसिमल में परफॉर्म करते हैं, लाइक इफ वी हैव अ नंबर 432, सपोज वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस बाय 5 एंड द सेम नंबर 432 इफ वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 3. तो यहां आप देखिए कि सबसे पहले आपका जो डिवाइजर है वो 1 डिजिट है, तो आप डिविडेंड की भी पहले एक ही डिजिट को कंसिडर करेंगे. जैसे 432 है, अगर यहाँ 4 की जगह 932 होता तो डिवीजन आपका पॉसिबल हो जाता, बिकॉज 9 कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 5. बट हियर द 1 डिजिट, it is alone not sufficient to get divided by 5. So we consider the combination of 2 digits. Here it is possible that first digit, the 1 digit of the dividend is greater than the divisor. So the division can be performed. So same way in binary division also we have to remember, क्या ध्यान रखना है आपको कि आपका जो डिवाइजर 2 डिजिट का है, तो सबसे पहले आप डिविडेंड में भी 2 डिजिट से बने हुए नंबर को कंसिडर करेंगे. नाउ हियर सी 1 1 of binary, it is equivalent to 3 of the decimal value and 1 0 is 2. Means here the number formed by 2 digit, that is 2, is not greater than the number formed by 2 digits of the divisor, that is 3. तो 2 आपका 3 से छोटा होता है, means here division is not possible. So what we will do, we will consider one more digit, that is 101. Okay, now the number has become 101, that is 5. So division will be possible. अब क्योंकि आपको यूज तो आप सिर्फ 1 या 0 ही कर सकते हैं, तो 1 1 जा, that is 1 1, that is 3 1 जा 3. So we have to write there 1 1. Then subtraction will be there. So it will be 1 minus 1 0. Here it will become 1 0 and this will 0. So 2 minus 1 1. Okay. Now this digit we will write down here. Again it has become 3 digit number, so again 1 time, because आप बेटा यहाँ क्वेश्चन में से 1 और 0 के अलावा तो कुछ लिख ही नहीं सकते. तो जैसे ये नंबर आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो डिवाइजर से, तो आप 1 लिखेंगे या 0 लिखेंगे. तो आपने लिखा 1 1. अगेन वी हैव टू परफॉर्म सब्ट्रैक्शन, 1 minus 1 0. Then again this will be 0 and this will be 1 0, so it will be 1 here. Then the last digit also, that is 0. Again 1 1 za, sorry, 3 1 za 3, that is 1 1 we will write here. Now here this time this will become 1 0, this will become 0 and this will become 0. How? See, in this side we are doing, this is 1 0 0 minus 1 1. So 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, तो ये आपका बेटा बोरो करेगा प्रीवियस डिजिट से, बट प्रीवियस डिजिट ऑल्सो इट इज नॉट कैपेबल टू लेंड द वैल्यू टू नेक्स्ट डिजिट. तो सबसे पहले आपकी इस डिजिट से बोरो होगा, इसमें ये बन जाएगा आपका 2. अब ये वाला डिजिट आपका आगे पास करेगा वैल्यू, दैट विल इट विल बिकम 1 0, दिस इज 1 0, सॉरी दिस इज 2 0 0. सो 2 minus 1 1 and rest of the places we will get 0. Okay, let's check the answer now. Here the divisor is 1 1, that is 3. The quotient value we have got, let's check what is this value. 1 2 4, 1 1 1, that is 7. Remainder is 1 and the dividend is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. That is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. It means 16 plus 4, 20 plus 2, 22. So when we divide 22 by 3, so what should we get? 3 sevens are 21. See, 7 will be quotient, 1 will be remainder. So the same answer we are getting. So the result will be, the quotient will be 1, 1, 1 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, I think it is clear now. Let's take one more example for the binary division. See, this is the second example. Suppose 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 divided by 1, 0, 1. Okay, now let's check. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. First we have to check 1, 0, 1. See, here I am doing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So this value, 3-digit divisor it is. So first we will consider 3 digits of the dividend also. So 1, 1, 0 is the dividend, that is 6, and 1, 0, 1 is the divisor, that is 5. So division is possible. 6, 1, 1, 0 can be divided by 1, 0, 1. So we will write there. Now what will be the remainder? Here it will be 0, borrow karenge, so it will become 1. Now write one more digit there. Now see beta, after writing one more digit, still the dividend is not capable to get divided by divisor, because the dividend is still 2-digit value and this is 3-digit. So if after writing one digit the division is not possible, तो जैसे आप decimal में करते हैं, you put there 0 in the quotient, then you write second value also. Okay? तो वैसे ही आप एक डिजिट लिखने के बाद अगर डिवीजन पॉसिबल नहीं है तो आप पहले क्वेश्चन में 0 लिखेंगे and then you will note down, write down the next digit also. Now the dividend is also become, dividend is also a 3-digit value, so again one time, so 1, 0, 1. Now let's perform subtraction. This will be this one. Now see, 1, 0, 1, this is 5. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is binary of 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, 26 plus 1, 27. Means we have to divide 27 by 6. Sorry, 5. So it will be 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 2. So means the quotient, it must be 5. Now let's check. 1, 0, 1 is the binary of 5 and the remainder should be 2. 1, 0 is binary of 2. Means the answer is correct. So in this way you can perform binary division.